There is a truth that most persons are not willing to talk about, and that is your job is not safe for you the way you think. And that is not because you are lazy. That is not because you are not good enough. But I'm telling you in this video that your job is not safe for you the way you think, because there is nothing in this life that is guaranteed anymore. Are you not seeing the way everything is changing in life? Now, you might be saying that you go to work very early, that you are hardworking, that you are so loyal to your boss, and so you feel that your space is secured. You feel that your job is guaranteed. But let me put this to you. Companies, organizations, parastatals, governments are restructuring. They are changing because of technology and other things. And so it will shock you one day. A call will come, a message will come, an email will come, a decision will come, a policy will come. And you see that job that you feel is so secure that you will lose it. This video is not to threaten you. This video is not to put fear in you. But this video is a wake-up call for you. This video is to open your eyes to see what you are not seeing. I want you to know that you are so comfortable because you feel that your job is secured. I want you to know that even if your job is pensionable, it is not secure the way you may think. As I said earlier, a policy can come, a decision can come, and everything will change and it will shock you. And there is nothing you can do. And that is when you will know that even loyalty doesn't pay. Even your loyalty will not save you. You are so comfortable because you feel that your job is secured. But I want you to know that comfort kills, destroys more than struggle in life. And why am I saying so? I say so because when you are comfortable in where you are, when you are comfortable in this your job, then you will not be able to learn. You will not be able to prepare yourself. You will not be able to self-develop yourself. You will feel so relaxed. You will tell yourself nothing dey happen, I dey. But let me tell you, times are changing. Policies are changing. The table can change at any time. So if you are not prepared, my dear, you will live to regret it. You will regret why on earth were you so comfortable just like that. I want you to know that even if your job pays you monthly, and because the money is coming monthly, you have this feeling, you have this assurance, and so you are so relaxed. It will come next month now. It will come the other month now. It will always come. But trust me, something can happen. And this thing you feel salary that will come every month might not come again. So what is the way forward? Don't live your life in a way that when your salary ends, your life will also end. And so, what is the way forward? Because as I said earlier, this video is not to threaten you. It's not to make you to live in fear. But I'm here to tell you that don't be deceived by anybody. I am standing here with boldness telling you that Your job is not safe for you the way you think. And so I am encouraging you to get out. Get out of that job right now because it is for your own good. You need to get out. You are too comfortable. You are too relaxed. Get out right now before it is too late. And you might be asking me, Dora, jobs are hard to get. Why are you telling me to get out of my job? I still mean it. Get out of your job. But I know you don't understand what I'm saying. When I mean get out of your job, I am not saying that you should go and resign. No, why will I do that? If I do that, I am not your friend. I am not telling you to go and resign from your job. I am not telling you to hate your job. I am telling you to get out of the mentality of being so comfortable that your job is safe. You are too comfortable in your mindset. You are too comfortable in your mind, in your brain. Your mindset is that your job is safe. And so you are so relaxed. You don't improve on yourself. You are just sleeping, waking up, going to work and coming. Get out of that your job. Get out. Until you get out, you continue to struggle. Until you get out, you continue to complain. If you want to stop complaining, if you are tired of eating from hand to mouth, my good friend, get out of that job. Many are frustrated. Many have been frustrated because they were too comfortable. You need to get out of that job. It is not safe for you. Are you not seeing how you are working and you are still struggling? You are working yet it feels you are not. You need to get out. Your job is not safe for you. It's not a safe zone the way you may think. Get out. It's so important. I want you to get out because I want the best for you. My dear, times are getting tougher and tougher. And it is a season of survival of the fittest. And so what is the way forward? I want you to get out of your job that you are so comfortable with. I am not saying go and resign. I am not saying hate your job. Work, do your job with passion because your job pays your bill. But I want you to use your job to pave way for yourself. Right now that you are still working, don't wait until you retire. Don't wait until you are being told to not work again. Don't wait until your boss sack you before you get out of your job. You need to prepare ahead. And how can you prepare ahead? As you are in this your job, get out of this job mentally. And one, build on yourself. Invest in yourself. Create more options. Build an extra income. It is very important. You need to learn some skills because they are going to be so useful unto you. Let me tell you, your job that you are so relaxed that is safe, it is not a safe zone for you. Your job is a source of income, not your future. Your job is not your future. It is not even security for you. And so get out. It is for your own good. I want you to know that before you are taken unaware, build yourself. Your job can be taken away from you, but when you self-develop yourself, the skills you acquire cannot be taken away from you. So use this your job to fund your future. You need to plan your life. You don't wait until it is too late before you start planning. Get out of your job. Don't be deceived that your job is safe. It is not safe. Many have regretted, many are regretting, and you are my friend. I don't want you to live a life of regrets. I don't want you to be taken unaware. And if this video was an eye-opener for you, if this video woke you up, I want you to share it with someone that is still asleep. Like this video. Drop your comments in the comment section below. I am Dora Bob and you are watching Simplicity in Pic channel. Until next time,